Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win. White can win this, and our pawns are going forward in this direction, just one move away from promoting, from becoming a queen. So we don't have a knight, and as always guys, go ahead, pause the video and get some move. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So the first move is kind of obvious. It's knight to f4. So our king is just further far away from these two pawns, and our king in this position can't help. So we have to help these pawns with a knight, and that is the best move is to play knight to f4. That is going to be an obvious move. So in this position, black can get this direction, right? But black's best move is to play to g5, because black has to get into both of these pawns. That is the main purpose, to just capture the best pawn, right? So black will defend this game properly. So that is what black has to do. So black has to move to g5. Black can move to this direction, but it will make things very easy for us. So black moves to the center and closer to these two pawns. Eventually black will arrive at f7 and defend at best. So here we have to play knight to e6, giving a check and forcing black to move, right? So that is not the main purpose of this move. The idea is, in this position we are giving a second check, and we are looking at d8, which blocks the rook from accessing the promotion squares, which is going to be safe for our pawn to be promoted. So in this position, black has to play to the middle. I think the main idea is to capture these pawns, right? So in this position we are going to play knight to d8. The knight is under the protection of the pawn, and the king can't move to f7 because of the knight. So the king may just capture this. Notice the king can't capture this, but that leaves black with even worse position, because we don't have a knight, we don't have a queen now. Black has only a rook, which is going to be easy win for us. But in this position, if black takes the e7 pawn, we are going to make a queen on g8, and black can capture the knight for free. So it's a win. This is clear win, but we have to find the best moves to win this. So this is the solution of the puzzle, right? So for a recap, we are going to play knight to f4 first and give a check to the king. So the king must move. The king has to play to the direction where the pawn are. So that is obviously what blacks do, but black will just play to the middle, right, to eventually capture this pawn. That would make blacks lose very hard, right? So that is the best move for black. We play knight to e6, and we are going to block the rook, right? In this position, the rook can just give us checks, if you are wondering, but that doesn't help black, because we are going to just eventually get rid of these checks, and black can't make anything, right? Black can't make progress. Black makes things even worse. So that is what we are going to do, and this is how we will win the position. So guys, make sure to subscribe to see similar chess puzzle videos like this. I will see you next time. Bye.